Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, software and training info products that will help you make money online. And if your intention is to make money online or know how to make money online, here on my channel I review products and training courses that are going to generally help you make money online. And today I have a training course and info product called Zero2Profit. And Zero2Profit is a system that is going to train you on how you can make up to $100 within minutes, of course through an automated traffic system. It's a training course that is going to teach you with video tutorials on how you can go from zero to making $100 every 10, 20, 50 minutes. Okay, and this involves that you tap from a specific traffic source, which is actually automated with the teaching. And I believe this is one that anybody who is trying to start afresh from making money online as an affiliate or as anything you want to be online, this may be a product you need. And this product, Zero2Profit, is actually going live on the 7th of May 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 11 thereabout, I'm not sure now. And this one is being put out there by the super affiliate Flair and his partners. And like I told you, in a nutshell, it's one that is going to help you make money online, learn how to make money online from scratch, going through the video tutorials and trainings that will teach you how to do so. And it taps from automatic traffic source that is going to help you put in your links, and those links will tap from this traffic and you get the clicks that you need to actually make more commissions online. So this is a basic training course that is going to teach you from zero to scaling your business to the highest level. And now we are on the members area of this very training course, which is Zero2Profit, and I will show you, of course, through my amazing bonuses, and show you also through the sales page. Now, if you click the link, or if you are interested in this product to teach you how to go from zero to scaling your business to 5 figures, 6 figures, of course, this is the training you need. And if you need such as this training, I will encourage you to use the first link below on my description area. That very link will bring you definitely to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you can grab a copy with this link, and of course the other yellow links scattered all over here, and you have about 4 days to have this very bonus page active. And it's going active in a couple of hours. It's going to go active, this very page and the links, and then you can grab a copy for yourself. And it says expose, laughable, simple, reveals the step-by-step details on how these creators and their beta testers has made $100 within the first 10 minutes. I mean, it may be basically more than that. You know, you can use 20 minutes, but it depends on each person how long you can, put all the training in practice, and you'll be able to make money. Definitely, you will be able to make money, because there is nothing that is different from software that automate things, and there is difference between that and, of course, a training course that will teach you to acquire a certain degree of skills, and at the same time teach you how to make money online. This is what this very product is all about, and I am excited to review it to you. And if you stick with me, definitely you will go through some of the details with me. And here is some of the things it says about this very product. Like I told you before, is a laughable, simple system that reviews step-by-step details on how to make money online. And features of the Zero2Profit system include copying and pasting, and then autopilot, and even the laziest attempts to deliver results. Simplest and easiest traffic you have ever seen. Absolutely zero experience or skill is needed. No software to download, no apps to log in. It also worked when we did it incorrectly. So these are some of the assurances you get from the vendor, and of course that will depend on you making up your mind if you need to be trained on acquiring the skills that you need to make money, as long as this product is concerned. And now let us take a look at the pricing. The Zero2Profit front end price goes for $12, and then you will be able to get this very the members area and all the trainings. Okay, we will come to that in a jiffy. Now let us go down to the front end, which is just the price of a family pizza. You can get the trend on how to start from zero to scale your business to 5 figures, 6 figures. Okay, that's basically what this training course is all about. Now the Zero to Profit Pro edition, which is the OTO number 1, goes for $47, which is always advisable, because if you have any limitations whatsoever on the front end, you will be able to cover that using the OTO number 1, which is the pro version of this very product. Now, Zero to Profit done for you affiliate campaigns, which is the OTO number 2, goes for $97. Here everything is basically done for you. You practically do nothing and get set up by the support of this very product, and you'll be able to begin to make money just as they are making, you know. So it's a crazy one that you need to get also for $97. That's good. And Zero to Profit ClickBank Success OTO number 3 goes for $97 as well. And this amazing system combines the biggest affiliate marketplace in the world with the world's easiest affiliate system, Zero to Profit. And this is about step-by-step training. Shows you how you can use Zero to Profit to get results with ClickBank. And then Zero to Profit Double Instant Business Riches OTO number 4 goes for $47. OTO number 5 goes for $47 as well, which is called the Money Funnel. And this amazing upgrade allows you to promote Zero to Profit and get 100% commissions on every sale. And Zero to Profit 6-figure training OTO number 6 goes for $47. And Team Black Belt, which is the team that is actually giving you this product training course, will help you become a super affiliate and leverage this traffic and product training to build yourself a 6-figure business, of course, this year. Now, this includes Instagram traffic model, Google AdWords model, and product creation model. And here are the amazing benefits you stand to gain with this one if you pick it up using my link. And now here are the amazing bonuses that I have for you. I think 4 of the bonuses you will be able to have, and then the 5th one is all the vendor bonuses, which I'm going to show you. And if you click this link, I told you, it will take you to the sales page, where you use any of the links on the sales page to actually check out on this product. When you do check out with this link on the, when you get here on the sales page using the link on my bonus page, which is this, you will be able to under your purchase history on my Warrior Plus account, find a page that looks like this, where you have 2 buttons. This one gives you access to this very product, Zero to Profit, and here you have the blue one that gives you access to my amazing bonuses, which I have shown you. Definitely when you do that, you'll be able to have all the bonuses that I have for you, and those are the vendor free of charge, and be able to have a copy of this and start your training and begin to make money even as early as today. So that's basically what this one is all about. These are all the bonuses you will have from me. And of course, let's now take a look at the members area. This is the members area for this product. Video 1 is where you watch and welcome to the course by this video 1. Video 2, this gives you a broad overview of how the Zero Profit system works, which is what you get. These are short videos you can get trained in one day, you know. So now video number 3 will be this video shows you where and how to pick the right products to promote and maximize your sales. Video number 4 will give you where to get both free and paid traffic. Video number 5 will teach you where to walk through step by step to need to step up your traffic account. And video number 6 will be in this final video. They will show you how to test different offers until you find the winner, which is very necessary. Access your bonuses here, which I promised you. Those bonuses that I promised you with my link, you'll be able to access them also here. And here you have the 6-figure circle coaching and freedom, which is what you have access with. So this is a training course that doesn't need much, because you must go through this training to get acquainted with how this works and how you can replicate this very training and be able to make money online and maximize to and scale to 6 figures. Okay, so it's basically what this is all about. Now let us take a quick look on the sales page and see if we can locate the very sales page that we are talking about. I mean the bonuses from the vendor. You can see also the testimonials and all the income proofs, which are very, very considerable considering the amounts. You can see that this is very obtainable. Okay, and then of course at your convenience, when you're here, you will be able to make use of them to really make up your mind if you need to. Okay, now this is bonus number 1 from the vendor, which is 100% done for you. $840 CPA campaign. And bonus number 2 will be, of course, plug and play autopilot list building software. Bonus number 3 will be the completely done for you 1,997 niche product funnels, and you have 3 bonuses from the vendor and 4 from me. That's making it 7 crazy bonuses for you to make up your mind on this one. And with that said, we will definitely call it a day here. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and of course use the bell button for notifications, and I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, it's goodbye.